Hi learners, welcome to the fifth day of our tribute to MS Dhoni with Python. So think like Captain Cool. Hope you people are enjoying our series. So today we are going to see dictionaries, another concept like lists. Don't get frightened. So we are going to relate it with Dhoni and learn it in an enthusiastic way. So see here how I have given some description. You might be saying, what are all these? Those who are new to dictionary. So some uh, data is given along with some attribute names. Attribute names means think it like column name in Excel. So name, Dhoni, jersey number, role, team, nickname, all these things. So in Python dictionary, these attributes what I have mentioned are called as keys. This side, the ones are called as the values, and we will see how to create a dictionary. Don't worry, we are not going to do any frequency calculation, etc., with dictionary and all. Just how we are going to access what is a dictionary, that's it. So we'll start with this quote. Every great player has an identity. Every dictionary stores information with meaning, some data. It is useful for storing the data. So that is dictionary. Let's go to the next one. So see here, as I have already mentioned, key value. This terminology you should never forget. Key and value. So how in list indices are important. Starting from 0 to length of the list minus 1. Yesterday we saw, right? Here it is the keys. Keys will help us to unlock the values. So every key should be unique in a dictionary. I can't have two keys with the name. Second key also name. Third key also name. That is not possible. Everything should be unique. See here, name, jersey, role, team, nickname. Value can be repeated. Here I am not repeating, but in case nickname, another one, some appreciation, another key is there. In that also I can assign Captain Cool. That is allowed. So values can be repeated, but keys can't be repeated. See here how to create a dictionary. The symbol in Python is curly braces and key and value. If it is a number, no need to enclose within quotes. If it is a string, we have to enclose within quotes. Key and value comes as a pair. And we have to separate the key and value, multiple keys and value pair with a comma. Key and value will be separated with the colon. So pause this video, have a look at the syntax, those who are new to dictionary, and keep practicing it. Try to type the same thing in VS Code or Colab and it will be effective. Don't worry if first time you are missing a comma, misplacing the colon or so. It will come with practice. Okay, so see here how to access them. It is not using index. Yesterday, list we accessed using 0, 1, 2, 3, list indices. We must remember the exact number, but here it is not so. You will remember like labels. Name means we will get Dhoni. Jersey means we will get 7. Like that. You ask for the specific label and you will get. But accessing is with the same square bracket, nothing else. So that is with our accessing the dictionary, and the same square bracket is also used to add an element to the dictionary and update if it is already available, if the key is already available. I'm not confusing. Those people who have already learned to dictionary, recollect how will we access the element, how will we add an element, update an element, how will we add a new key value pair. All those things try to recollect and let me know in the comments. Okay, next one. Stats will change and so can dictionaries. We can able to update the values. So see here runs initially 10,450. I want to update it to 10,500. See, I told now how we can do updation with the same square bracket. We are accessing the runs. Square bracket runs means existing runs. 10,450 will come. Along with that, we are adding 50. So it is automatically become 10,500. Use the existing key to update its value instantly. Whereas Tala profile square bracket, if we are not having this run, square bracket, so I'll write and show you here. The same thing. I'm writing it as TP of runs equal to 50. Imagine this runs is not there in your dictionary. This code is used to add the key value pair. Run 50 runs. Like that it will be added. But when it is already present means the same code is used for updation. So for addition and updation, one of the method is actually the square bracket method. Actually we have another one, dot update function. That is also there. Okay, so expanding the profile with new keys. Just now, what we saw in the previous slide, the same thing. IPL titles equal to 5. So here we don't have this IPL title. So it will be added as a new key value pair. So what I have, I'm just correlating and telling you. If it is already present, it will be updation. If it is not present, it is addition. Keep this in mind. Explore update function, update dot update. Inside this, you can give the key value pair. One set of key value pairs, multiple key value pairs, everything you can give. So see here, IPL titles got updated. We are waiting for our sixth trophy. Am I right? So it is easy to organize, easy to update, and easy to search respectively. Right? Yes. So what are all the common mistakes as beginners? So using square bracket. Square bracket is for whom? It's for the list. For dictionary, we should obviously go for curly braces. Then forgetting the quotes around the keys. Jersey is a string. So definitely you should give single or double quotes. Accessing missing keys. If century is not an existing key means it will say key error. That key is not present. Like that we will be getting error. Using numerical indices. That is not allowed. We should go with named keys as the labels. Duplicate keys. So see here, roll and roll. Can we have duplicate keys? No. The values can be duplicate. Keys should be unique. If you are giving that, this batsman will be overwritten by this keeper. So the latest value will replace the previous one. It will result in a logical error, right? We are nearing the end. So what are all the things we saw? Key value pair, accessing, updation, addition, and the mistakes. So as a homework, try to create a dictionary with your favorite player name, whoever it is, and display each value using its key. Try to incorporate a for loop. Add a new key captain and store the value true, and print the updated dictionary. Try to incorporate the for loop as well. So let us end today's session with a quote. A scorecard is useful because every piece of information has a clear label. Python dictionaries work in the same way. Just as how Dhoni's profile tells us who he is, dictionary will organize the data using meaningful keys and values. And it makes the program very smart, as like you people who are learning Python in an effective way with Tala Challenge. Okay, we have come to an end. Think like Captain Cool, keep smiling, be cool. We'll meet again tomorrow with another interesting topic. Thank you.